Hey everyone, it's Robert here from danceScape. We have our special guest David from David's In-Home Cooking, and David is part of our classes, but we discovered that he had an amazing talent for cooking. So Chef David, can you share a little bit about what you do and what inspired you to get into the in-home cooking?
Well, what I do is I go to people's houses, I cook for them. If you have a party or a get-together, so you hire me and I'll go into your home and I'll cook for you so you can just mingle and talk to your own guests. You don't have to worry about doing any of the cooking at all. I will take care of it.
And David, you specialize in Italian cooking. Is that right?
Yes, that is correct.
Gee, I wonder why.
I don't know.
We can name like David Basilone. But the Italians are known to celebrate food, culture, wine, so you cover everything.
What I do, yes, I cover pretty much everything. And if people ask me about certain kinds of wines, I won't tell them, but they have to supply.
Right.
So I will not supply, but all the food and the menu, I'll go over the menu with you, and so this way we can agree on what we can do for you.
And that's part of the process that what if they don't really know what they want on the menu? So how do you help them out?
I will give them suggestions. There's certain things I can do, like I can ask, they want pastas. There's so many different varieties of pastas you can do. Risotto's the same thing. We do, like a lot of people have been asking lately, is chicken thighs and a white wine sauce, which is really, really nice, and it's not so heavy.
What would you say is your specialty, or do you create on the fly based on clients?
Sometimes I do that, yes. I will create on the fly, like I'll just grab something all together and it just, comes together. But what I like to make is risotto, because risotto is, you can do so much with it. So many different varieties, and the same thing with pasta, I guess you can do so many different things.
Coming from Asian culture, rice is so part of our culture, but share with an Asian what makes risotto so amazing. It's different.
It's the type of risotto. It's an arborio risotto. So it's a little bit thicker, it's lighter, and it really holds all the flavors in there. It's really, really nice.
A lot of times, Billy and I love seeing that MasterChef show, and on some of those, they attempt to do risotto, but I think it's within an hour. But I think you need more time, right, in order to make it.
Yeah, it all depends. Sometimes not really don't need that much time. Risotto does take some time. As long as you're there, you take care of it. Yes.
Which part of Italy are you from? Do you have kind of where you come from influences some of your menu selections, some of your specialties?
Well, I'm from actually Campania, which is part of Naples. That's my father's side. My mom's side is Sicilian.
Right.
So I always liked cooking. My mom was always a real good cook when she was younger, so she inspired the whole family and stuff like that.
What do you remember about your mom's cooking?
Oh, she was cooking, walk in the house and she was cooking, and just the smell of the food I was cooking, we all couldn't wait to get on the table.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was so good.
I guess
that was made it fun.
Well, I think that's the important thing. Like you bring a little bit of fun, but part of the history of what she maybe her generations of her mom and her grandparents passed on those secret recipes, and now it's passed on to you. Is that kind of although I guess you did take to
yeah, so I was putting a little bit of twist on to make it right. That's always better than
And holiday season is coming up next, but I imagine we'll do special milestones like anniversaries or anyone that has something to celebrate.
Yes. With some Christmas, I have a couple bookings, and actually I have one Saturday coming in, and I've already been offered to do one in January for an anniversary.
Wow. Perfect. I think that's the most important thing. Like, we're all so busy to have someone like yourself just come in, plan, and then you do the shopping and bring over to the house. I mean, it sounds perfect. We're gonna book you soon, David. No, thank you so much for sharing this, and again, just love to share what our students and community members are doing, and we are just inspired by how what we're having some events coming up, wine, dine, and learn to dance. So we've kind of been chatting up about some things that are in store in our planning phase next year. So please stay tuned. Awesome, David.
Thank you.
All right, Chef David. Thanks, David. That was awesome.